Okay, people, this is what it looks like when somebody takes your line. That's a tip up, the flag goes up. And I'm going to check to see if I got anything. It was spinning. Yeah, I got something all right. All right, let's see what I got. No, I don't have anything. Thought I did. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Oh, I got something. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Okay, people, this is the way it's done. This is the way it's done, people. I got a northern on here, northern pike. Let's see what I got. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. I'm going to let him run, tire him out. Yeah, let him tire out. This is nice. Yeah. This is what I've been waiting for. This is my first one on Silver Creek. Yeah, baby. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for. Yeah, baby. We're going to tire him out, pull him up. Yeah, baby. This is what I've been waiting for. There we go, buddy. Yeah, we got about a 2-footer here. I'm going to let him run again. Had his nose almost up in the hole. We'll let him run a little. Run his energy off. And then what we're going to use, he's got a lot of sharp teeth, so we're going to use these claws, put it in his mouth and pull him out of the hole. All right. This is the way it's done. He's starting to tire out. He's starting to tire. Taking off on me again. Yep. I'll let him run. He's going to tire out eventually. I got him hooked pretty good, so I don't think he's going someplace unless the line breaks. He saw me and took off. Oh, this is a good 30-incher, at least. Come on, don't get wrapped around his frickin' gill. Yeah, he got wrapped around his gill, didn't he? Yep, sure did. There we go. Come on, get in your mouth. Easy there. Easy there. Looks like you've been caught before. Here we go, people. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about, people. Yeah, buddy. This is what it's all about. Go out and get some. Bass in the hat. Scores. Yeah, go out and get some. I'm going to measure and weigh him. He's at least 5 pounds, I'd say. Yeah. Get this hook out of him, get him back in the water. All right, let's get that hook out of you, buddy. All right, that's what it's all about. When you can, catch and release, people. Good day.